If you're scared, here's what to do. Spooky. The gym is spooky. No, it actually is pretty scary though, especially if you're first going in. You don't know what to do, where to go, use the machines, blah, blah, blah. You can just go straight to the treadmills, bike, stair climber, and watch. Go slow, no need to push hard. See, I say this too. I literally tell people, go dedicate one day to the gym. You don't have to be a creeper, you don't have to stare at people, but literally go spend 20 to 30 minutes walking around the gym, just glance at a machine. Oh, that's what that person's doing. Glance at another machine. Oh, I see he's doing that. Glance at another machine. And you can literally sit in the corner, do some, basic stretches, whatever, reach overhead, and probably see 50 to 70% of the machines and exercises that people are doing. And if you're comfortable doing it, just freaking try it. Just freaking try it and see how it makes you feel. I used to be really down on people for like seeing an exercise on TikTok or whatever and going in. And honestly, I think this is just part of the training. When you first start out, you're gonna have no idea your body position, how the body should move, and it should be fun when you go into workouts. So go in, have some fun, try out some different movements. This person is exactly like it. You can learn without feeling weird. And once you see these movements, you can then go to back to the gym, try them yourself. You might even want to try it that day. Just literally go watch somebody do a machine, see how it works. You're like, okay, I think I can get in that. Go try to get in it. If you can't get in it, guess what? Literally nobody's watching you. I'll tell you a story. So right now I'm in a transition phase where kind of going through some health challenges. So I've been lifting very little weight, and at times I literally lifted no weight on machines. I would literally sit there, put my hands on the machines, close my eyes, and visualize myself doing the workouts, because even though I wasn't getting a huge physical benefit, mentally it helped me. I didn't care. I literally sat there, and that's the thing. Nobody cares. So just give yourself that boost that nobody cares about you, at least in the gym, unless they're your friend or whatever. But it's kind of maybe a little pessimistic, but it gives you some solace that literally zero people care about you. So boom. If you're scared, just go and watch, observe, have fun.